In this video, I want to share an armful of great tips to boost your sales success. 7 do's and 7 don'ts. First, 7 do's. Do prepare thoroughly. If you are ever good enough not to need to prepare, then chances are you will be wise enough to know that preparation is essential. Do be courteous and respectful at all times. Please and thank you and your prospects' names. These are the 3 magic words. Do explain why. Another magic word is because. It answers the biggest objection. Why? Do simplify. That way, it makes it so much easier for your prospect to say yes. Do welcome questions, objections, concerns, and complaints. They won't go away just because you don't ask about them, invite them, and give them a voice. The only difference will be that you don't know that they're there, and therefore you can't handle them and move past them to the sale. Do follow up on your sale. Keep in touch with your customer after they've made their purchase. If things are going well, then your contact will transfer their happiness with their purchase onto you and make them more likely to buy again. If they're not happy, then by keeping in contact with them, you can find out and put things right. Do keep your word. Be scrupulously reliable, consistent, honest, and open. Be a salesperson of the highest integrity and build a reputation for reliability. Now, 7 things to not do. Don't see selling as a competition. Don't see it as a competition where you winning means them losing. See sales as a collaborative venture where success means you both win. Don't assume. Ask questions and listen carefully. And be constantly prepared to reevaluate your understanding, your interpretation, and your proposition. Don't go on and on and on and on. Let them do the talking. Ask your question and then, as soon as possible, allow them to answer it while you sit and listen attentively. When they stop, ask another brief question and let them respond. When it's time to make a proposal, speak clearly and concisely and invite them to respond. Don't patronize or trash talk. Treat everyone with respect. This is not about assuming everyone has expertise. It's about explaining clearly and patiently, in simple terms that everyone can understand, but without talking down to people. And never ever feel tempted to criticize others, especially not your competition or theirs. If you have to mention your competition, or if they mention it, do so respectfully, and then highlight the advantages or the benefits that your products or your services offer. Don't forget the power of silence. Sometimes the best question is silence. And sometimes the best answer is silence. Don't hide bad news. unlike good wine, bad news does not get better with age. The sooner you tackle it, the sooner you can move on. And finally, don't give up. Resilience is one of the most important character traits of a salesperson. Because you will not always make the sale, things will not always go your way. You need to be resilient. You need to be able to pick yourself back up and move on to the next opportunity. Indeed, sometimes you need to pick yourself up and carry on with this opportunity. They may not be ready to buy. They may even be testing your resolve to keep working. And when you get a yes, maintain your resilience and be ready to ask for that next opportunity or to offer that next feature. I don't like to tell people what to do and what not to do, so don't take these as instructions. Just take them as ideas. But I fundamentally believe that all 14 of these ideas will serve you well as a salesperson. Please do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it or learned from it. I'll be making loads more great management courses videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep learning.